Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change WordPress homepage. Let's get started. When you click on this preview store right here, you should be able to see that my actual homepage is this right here. So when you head over and click on this as well, you can see that my actual homepage is different, which is this one. So if I want to actually change my WordPress homepage, what I can do is I can scroll down until I can reach in here the settings. Now in here, click on this reading. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this reading settings. So you can choose in here, make sure to choose static page. And then let's click on this home page. And then in here, let's actually choose our shop as our home page. We're going to also choose any page that you want to use for this case. Once you have done that, click on the save changes right here. And then once the changes has been saved, you can head over and then right click again on your actual URL. And then in here, it will open your actual shop page, which will be your home page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.